Welcome back to Tesla News. Today we're diving into an exhilarating performance comparison between two of the top electric vehicles on the market, the Tesla Model Y and the BMW i4. Both are known for their impressive specs, but which one truly dominates the road in 2024? Let's break it down. The Tesla Model Y has been a dominant force in the EV market, celebrated for its cutting-edge technology and impressive range. The BMW i4, on the other hand, has quickly become a favorite for its luxurious features and robust performance. So how do these two electric powerhouses compare when it comes to performance? Let's start with acceleration and top speed. The Tesla Model Y performance variant boasts a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.5 seconds, thanks to its dual motor setup. It has a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The BMW i4 M50, BMW's performance model, isn't far behind with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.7 seconds and a top speed of 140 miles per hour. The Model Y's acceleration is powered by Tesla's advanced electric motor technology, providing instant torque and seamless power delivery. The i4 M50, equipped with BMW's 5th generation eDrive technology, delivers a dynamic and exhilarating driving experience that BMW fans have come to expect. Range is another critical aspect of performance. The Tesla Model Y offers an impressive range of up to 326 miles on a single charge, thanks to its efficient battery management and aerodynamic design. The BMW i4 M50 offers a slightly lower range, up to 300 miles, but compensates with a sportier driving experience. Charging infrastructure plays a significant role in the overall performance of an electric vehicle. Tesla's supercharger network is extensive, with thousands of fast-charging stations worldwide, allowing for convenient long-distance travel. BMW is catching up with its partnership with Electrify America, providing a growing number of fast-charging stations, but it still doesn't match Tesla's extensive network. The Model Y is designed to provide a smooth and comfortable ride, making it ideal for both city driving and long road trips. The i4, with its sport-tuned suspension and responsive steering, caters to driving enthusiasts who crave a dynamic and thrilling ride. Both vehicles come loaded with performance-enhancing features and technology. The Tesla Model Y includes features like Track Mode, which allows drivers to customize performance settings for an optimized driving experience. The BMW i4 offers a range of driving modes, including Sport Boost, which maximizes power output for spirited driving. Let's delve deeper into the range and efficiency. Tesla's Model Y, equipped with its latest 4,680 battery cells, achieves a remarkable range efficiency, providing drivers with fewer stops and more driving time. The BMW i4, though slightly lower in range, offers impressive efficiency, particularly in urban settings, making it a great choice for city dwellers. Real-world driving conditions often differ from the track. In everyday scenarios, both the Model Y and i4 perform exceptionally well. The Model Y's spacious interior and high driving position offer great visibility and comfort for long drives. The i4's refined interior and supportive seats make daily commutes and weekend getaways equally enjoyable. Safety is paramount in performance vehicles. Tesla's Model Y comes with autopilot as standard, providing advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and emergency braking. BMW's i4 is equipped with Driving Assistant Professional, which includes similar features and adds a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway use. Long-term reliability and ownership costs are important considerations for any car buyer. Tesla's electric drivetrain and fewer moving parts mean lower maintenance costs and fewer visits to the service center. BMW's i4, while a bit more maintenance-intensive, benefits from BMW's robust warranty and service plans, ensuring peace of mind for owners. So, which electric vehicle reigns supreme in 2024? It ultimately depends on what you value more: Tesla's impressive acceleration and range, or BMW's engaging driving dynamics and luxury. Both brands offer compelling choices that cater to different driving styles and preferences. Thank you for watching Tesla News. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Tesla comparisons and news. See you next time.